Hi friends, today in this tutorial I am just going to explain about the Execute SQL task. Already I just in my previous tutorial, if you see, I explained the Execute SQL task, how you can perform by passing the direct SQL statement, and also by creating variables and passing value to the variables, how you can dynamically pass value to the SQL statement. I have already explained in my previous tutorial. Just go and check if you have any clarification. In this tutorial, I'm just going to use the same SQL task, but by using expression task, how you can perform the insertion, right? So that I am going to explain. So for this you need to select the same thing, direct input all thing, the insert query, whatever I am just passing here. You don't need to put these values, okay? Just I am just giving question mark, okay. So expression task I am just going to do via expression task, okay. The expression task, how you can do, this is the command I already created. You have to use this way. I am just copying and taking in SQL server here. You can understand this better, okay. The format, how it will be look, first start with the double quotation and end with the double quotation, okay. Within that you need to write the SQL statement, okay. Here in the SQL statement, if you see, this is the variable name, this is the variable name, another variable name. So both are varchar data type. If you go and check, we have created both variable as a varchar because the table data type for these columns also the varchar. So for varchar, how you need to define values, right? You need to define single quotation followed by double quotation, then plus symbol you need to write this manually, okay. Then followed by you need to drag and drop this user variable in expression editor, and then followed by again you need to use plus symbol because we are appending the variable values with the single quotation. So after plus you need to write double quotation followed by single quotation. This is the way you have to write the insert statement in expression task. You can see evaluate expression, uh, and click OK. Okay, save it and run it. So already this value is inserted, then again we are inserting, so then duplication the record should be duplicated. See, the executed task has been completed and the one more record has inserted. Okay, I hope this understand you well. So please comment me in if you have any clarification on this. Thank you so much. Bye.